What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Rashawn, one half of Not Your Mama's Greens, and today we're doing another cook with me video, doing a gluten-free perfect pesto pasta. I'm excited to give you guys this recipe and try it out for the first time together. So let's get started. Alright, for today's ingredients we don't have a lot, but we do have a few to get you through this recipe that's going to pack a good little flavor punch. So over here we have some pine nuts that I stole from work. We have some Vio Life vegan Parmesan. This will be our first time trying this today. Well, at all. First time trying it. See how this goes. We have a lemon for a little bit of lemon juice. This 100% organic brown rice gluten-free penne pasta that we got from Whole Foods. Hopefully you'll be able to find it at your local market. If not, go to Whole Foods. And then we have this extra virgin olive oil with a garlic infused olive oil that we just got today. We'll be trying this out as well. And then over here for our pesto base will be fresh basil that we got from Publix. If you can't find fresh basil that's coming off the plant, you can buy it that's in a package. And then of course salt and pepper. You can't do nothing without salt and pepper. Alright, so for our pesto base we'll be using this fresh basil, but of course you don't want to use the entire stem, so you'll be picking off the leaves. You'll be picking the leaves off of the stems. And I do this a lot at work, so I do it pretty quickly, but you want to grab them in a bunch and just rip it off the bottom of the stem. Pretty quick, pretty easy to get all this fresh basil off the stems. There you go. So for this Parmesan, I'm going to grate it down to put into the mixture of the pesto and lemon juice and oil and pine nuts. I'm going about a good cup. And then after, we're going to save some to shave over the top of our finished product. Probably only use about half of this lemon. Probably do like almost 2 ounces of the garlic oil. And same with the regular extra virgin olive oil, about 2 ounces. That'll be our mixture of oil for our pesto. Time to blend. It's a good idea to blend the basil, cheese, pine nuts, and olive oil together, because if you don't, you'll have big chunks of basil in your pasta. Nobody wants big chunks of leaves in their pasta. So make sure you grind it up, blend it up, puree it up, however much you can, so you can get a nice smooth texture to your pesto sauce. So a lot of problems that I see when I go to a restaurant, or if I go to somebody's house to eat, or if somebody's coming over to my house to cook, is people do not know how to correctly make some pasta. I don't even know if I'm doing it correctly, but the way I do it comes out pretty good. So what you want to do is add water, a tablespoon of olive oil, vegetable oil, any oil that you have, to stop it from overboiling, and then add about a tablespoon of salt, because you want to season the water that you're cooking the pasta in, because you don't want bland pasta. You want to have a good seasoned pasta that's going to go well with the sauce that you're adding over the top of it or mixing in the pasta. In goes our gluten-free brown rice pasta. All right, and to test out your pasta to make sure it's al dente, I'm gonna break it in half. Make sure it doesn't have any give. Maybe a little chew if it's chewy, but not too soft. It's ready to take off the eye and strain out. Whoa! Noodle down. Alright, now that we have our pasta done, strained, and back in the pot, time to add our pesto sauce. So we got a nice blend, a nice puree on this. get as much as you can out of this little container, you know what I mean? Alright. Time to stir this up. So we're getting a nice coating of pesto on each noodle. And that's where blending it comes in. The more you blend it, the better it spreads. There you go. Alright guys, we got our pasta all finished up and it's time to test it out. A noodle and a little cheese. Remarkable. What can I say, folks? That's a good pesto sauce right there. Pretty good. It has a good, strong herby taste to it, but it's not too strong, overpowering or anything. That Violite Parm is really freaking good. I definitely recommend you guys trying that. But altogether, very good pasta dish. Let's try it out. Well, thank you guys for coming to cook with me at Nacho Mama's Greens. The pesto pasta came out pretty good in my opinion, but if there's anything you think we should add or subtract, make sure to leave it in the comment section below. And if you want to cook with us in person, our class will be on February the 28th. Just click the link in the description. Get your tickets now. Thank you guys.